Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this ridiculously easy twisted half up hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out at the front of the face and I'm going to take all the hair from the ear upwards on the right hand side. Smooth this back with your fingers and split it in half, and now we're simply going to twist those two sections around one another to create a loose twist. Make sure you twist for long enough so you reach the opposite side of the head. Then we're just going to take a small slice of hair from the left hand side and combine it with the end of that twist, and then secure them both together with a clear elastic band. Now take a couple of fingers and pop it through that little hole between the twist and the hair. Pass the little ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to flip the ends. And we're going to repeat this on the left side. So again, take all the hair from the ear upwards, remembering to leave out a little bit to frame the face. Split the section in half and then just create a loose twist by wrapping the sections around one another. Bring this over to the right hand side of the head. And when you've reached the right hand side, we're going to grab another thin piece of hair, add it to the end of that twist by pinching it together, and then just secure those two together with another clear elastic band. And we're going to flip the ends again, so pop your fingers behind, grab the little ponytail and pull it all the way through. Next we're going to apply some texture spray to those twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then holding on to the end of each twist, we're going to gently pinch and pull at the top and bottom of each little twisted section to give it more volume. Do this for both twists. And just to keep everything more secure, I'm just going to slip 3 bobby pins through each twist to keep it nice and secure to the head. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.